Social organization in honeybee. Honeybee belongs to phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Apidae, genus Apis. There are four species of honeybee have been reported. One is Apis dorsata, the rock bee; Apis indica, the Indian bee; Apis flora, the little bee; Apis melopona species, the dam aurora, stingless bees. So the honeybees are highly organized social insect that is distributed all over the world, and these exhibit a polymorphism and a good division of labor, and it is a holometabolized insect. That means all the developmental stage, that is egg, larva, pupa and adult stage, are found in the Apis species, that is honeybee species. So that is what is called as holometabolized insect. So the highly organized division of labor is found in the colony of the honeybee, and a good and well developed colony has about 40,000 to 50,000 individuals, and there are three castes. One is the queen, the drone and the worker. The queen, after fertilization, lays two types of egg. One is fertilized egg, another one is unfertilized egg. From the fertilized egg, the worker bee are produced, and from the unfertilized egg, the male bees emerges, and they are called as drones. These worker bees are produced, and one of the worker bee, they feed on the royal jelly, and it is going to develop into the queen. The queen is well developed fertile female with immensely developed ovaries, and the queen is found to be present in each eye, and it feeds on the royal jelly. It feeds on the royal jelly, and she is called as the mother of the colony. The only function of the queen is to lay the egg through her active lifespan. When you consider the morphology of the queen, she is about 15 to 20 millimeter in length, and she is easily distinguishable from other by having the long and tapering abdomen, and she is having a short leg and the wings. The queen mates only once in her lifetime, but in a single chance of mating the drone, he releases 2 crore sperms, which are sufficient for fertilization of the egg. At the time of laying by the female throughout the lifespan, the queen lays about 1,500 to 2,000 eggs in a day, depending upon the seasonal variation as well as the ecological factors. In the whole lifespan of 2 to 5 years, the queen lays about 15 lakh eggs. When the queen of the colony loses the egg laying capacity, it is replaced with the other worker. This worker start feeding on the royal jelly, and she becomes the queen of the colony, and the old queen is driven out of the colony. Then the worker bee. These are the smallest of the three castes, but their function as main spring of the complicated machinery like honeybee colony. They are produced from the fertile egg, which are laid by the queen and live in a chamber called as worker cells. So it takes about 21 days for the development from the egg to the adult, and total lifespan of the worker is about 42 days or 6 weeks. And the workers are atrophied female, which sacrifice themselves for well-being of the colony, and it does both the indoor and the outdoor duties of the colony, and it is provided with a special structure, that is the long proboscis for sucking the nectar. strong wings for fanning the colony, pollen basket for the collection of the pollen, powerful stings are present in the worker bee, which helps in the collection, which help to defend the colony against any attack, and the wax glands are also present in the worker bee for the wax secretions. So these workers are engaged in outdoor as well as the indoor duties. So if you consider the worker, they act as a hive cleaner, they act as a climate controller, undertaker, wax comb builder, queen's retinue. It acts as a nurse, it guards the colony, it helps in making the honeybee, and it also helps acts as a forager. So the worker which are engaged in the outdoor duties, they collect the nectar, they collect the pollen grains and water, and they also which receives and stores properly in the house bees. And the indoor workers are further subgrouped for specific duties, as I told you. They some of them which are very sincere, they attend the queen, while some of them the nursery or called nursery bee, and some produces wax for formation of the new hive, and they are known as new builders, and some of them help in repairing of the comb, that is done by repairers, and the dead body and other impurities are removed from the hive by the cleaners, and the fanning in the hive is performed by the wings of the fanner. Another functions like storage and repining are done by the workers. So apart from that, the guard bee always watches the gateway, and it is said half of the life period worker performs indoor duties and later on become engaged in the outdoor duties. Next, coming to the another caste system in the colony, that is the drone, is the male member of the honeybee colony, which fertilizes the queen, so called the king of the colony. They take about 24 days to develop from the egg to the adult, and the sting and the wax glands are absent in case of drone, but in the males the reproductive organ is very well developed, and they are raised from the unfertile eggs in a large drone cells. These drones are totally dependent upon the worker and have been begging for honey from the workers. And the sole duty of this drone is to fertilize the virgin queen, and all the time of swarming, the drone follows the queen, copulates and dies after copulation. This is the main function of the drone. And this drone is very smaller, and they are bigger in size, and they are a little bit darker, and they are sluggish. They remain inside the eye for the most of the days. As I told, wax comb builder, they nurse the colony, that is the worker bee, and they guard the colony. They collect the nectar for honey preparation. They act as a forager. Thank you.